Hi, this is Introduction to Perception. Perception is the internal reconstruction of external data. It can also be defined as the understanding and interpretation of sensory information. All around us, a lot of stimulus is going on: sounds, lights, smells, and so on. All these get impinged, they impinge on us through our sensory organs. We have five sensory organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. The senses are called as audio, visual, tactile, olfactory, gustatory. Gustatory is taste, olfactory is smell, tactile is touch. When we get all these information around us, our senses capture them if they have a certain intensity. The minimum intensity for some sensory stimulus to get registered in us is called as the limen or the threshold. It is that point in which a silence gets changed into a feeble sound, or darkness gets changed into a feeble light, and so on. Now, when sensory stimulus strike us, our body registers them and then we interpret them. How we interpret, it depends on various factors. First set of factors are in the object of perception. So this is an object that is before us. Now when we see this, how do we perceive this? Depends on what are the factors of which are in this object, that is the object of perception. One factor is size. The larger it is, the better it would be registered. Second is intensity in terms of brightness. The brighter it is, the better it would be registered. Novelty. Whether this is a novel object or a usual object will alter our perception. Size, intensity, novelty, and movement. If it is a moving object, it is registered better than if it is stationary. So that is movement. Now all these factors are in the object of perception. Now the object may be perceived by the perceiver. We have certain characteristics. Our past learning, our motivation, or our attitude, or our personality could influence the way we perceive this. Next, there are also influences which are there in the circumstances. So, what other objects are impinging in our sensory organs? They also decide the way we perceive this. Now, certain times we make mistakes on perception. We'll come to that later.